Let me show you how to create a clickable landing page in Canva for free so you can use it for your Instagram link in bio. I'm Sarah Nguyen and I help you grow your business using video with ease. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a beautiful clickable landing page using Canva and then add that URL link to your Instagram link in bio. This will allow you to drive people from your Instagram post to the relevant links you want to drive traffic to, such as your YouTube channel, website, podcast, products, and sales pages. Let's go through everything step by step to help you get your beautiful landing page up and running quickly. Now, once you have logged into Canva, in the search bar at the top of the page, you want to search for the keywords link in bio. So type that in and hit the enter button, and then you'll see here that there are lots of already beautiful pre-made link in bio templates. So this takes away a lot of the guesswork and a lot of the design work because you're able to kind of just pick one that you like the look and the style of and change the colors, change the text, and add the links to suit whatever you want. So scroll through and pick one. If you are not sure, pick one anyway, and we can change it when we get into the editor. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. You'll also notice that when I hover over them, this one says free, and there'll be other ones that say paid. And this just means that the free ones are accessible on the Canva, the free version, and the paid ones are available for Canva Pro. If you would like a free trial of Canva Pro for 45 days where you can create this and have a play around with it, check out the link in bio because I've got a free 45-day trial if you want to try it out and see if you like it for yourself. So go through and pick one. So this will open up Canva's editor where we can start to make changes. So if you haven't used Canva before, everything is quite intuitive. So you would click on an element that you want to change. For example, I've just clicked on this image. Then I can go to my uploads and I can add my own images by dragging and dropping them. So it's quite intuitive in that sense. Now, to actually add some clickable links to the page, you want to hover over the section that you want to make clickable. So this one is a text section. And instead of it saying my journey, I want it to actually go to my latest videos on YouTube. And that's what I want to label it as well. So I'm going to go to latest videos on YouTube. And the text is there, and I want to click on it again in order to create the link. I want to then, if you don't see it across this top bar here, click on the three dots, and then you'll see there's this link icon here. It looks like two paper clips joined together. So click on that. And here I'm going to paste the link to the YouTube section that has all of my latest videos. So I'm going to just then click enter, and this then creates a clickable link on the actual page. So then you would go through and change the text and the links for all the other sections that you want to add links for. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now, once you've changed all of the text and links to all of the landing pages that you want your link in bio to be able to drive people to, then you're ready to kind of create the actual clickable landing page. So you should see publish as website on the top right-hand corner here. And if you don't see it, I want you to click on the three dots, and where it says, how would you like to publish, type website, and you can click website and that will bring up that same option there. So I'm going to click on publish as website. Where it says web style, I want to select scrolling single page site with parallax effect. So we're going to click that. And that just pretty much means that it will be a single page. Now, then we click open website. And here you'll see on desktop that it's an actual page. And if I click on the links, it will take me to the specific links that I specified when I was setting them up. So then you have your beautiful clickable landing page here. Now, how do we add it to our link in bio, and how do we make it a little bit prettier than this link that we see Canva have provided with us here? What we want to do is we want to take the link that Canva has given us and use a URL shortener such as bit.ly.com. And this will give us a shorter URL, which will be easier for people to access and click on from our page, and it will look a little bit prettier than what we've got here. So over on bit.ly.com, you can sign up for a free account. We want to click on create, and that will open up this dialog box where we can then paste that Canva URL, as you can see here. And we can leave the other settings for now and click create. And then we can change the title here. So I'm going to have it Sarah link in bio. You can change it to be whatever you want, and then click save. And then within your bit.ly section here, you'll be able to see the link appear here, and you can simply click it. Now we're going to go over to Instagram to add it to the actual account now. So you should probably test the link before you actually do that. And I just pasted it there and it brings up the actual page. So let's now go over to Instagram on desktop. I find it just easier to do it this way. I'm going to click on settings. And then in the website section here, that's where you want to paste the URL. I'm going to click submit, and that's saved now. And when I go to my profile, I can see here in my link in bio, there's that bit.ly link there. When I click on it, or when someone clicks on it from desktop or from mobile device, it will bring up that landing page. So that's how you create a Canva link in bio page, set it up as a website, and then add it to your Instagram profile. I hope you got so much value out of this video. And if you did, please hit the like button for me and let me know in the comment section below what other Canva tutorials to grow your business would you like to learn about. I would love to make these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out my Canva playlist for more Canva training? Or if you want to create YouTube videos to grow your business and you're struggling to come up with what to say, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you create YouTube content in half the time that grabs your viewers' attention and grows your audience. You can check them out now by clicking on the links on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.